No, it looks like it's just.
Looks like it's a little bigger.
Hope it's not moving towards us. That's usually what that means. If it doesn't move, it's coming at you.
Yeah, right. Oh, look at this.
Oh, it's good.
Oh, look.
Oh, good.
It's starting to rope off, or whatever it's called.
Yeah, it's kind of break off, huh?
I think so.
Yeah.
From my TV watching experience, I think.
We've just been like obsessed with this weather stuff, and now this
Your
happened.
meteorological skills.
My satellite quit working. I'm like, what the heck is going on?
Really?
So I came out here. Well, yes, because of this. And I came out here and I'm like, holy shit.
Well, we were walking to go to the gas station, and I like glanced over there, and I saw like a little triangle. I was like,
It is bigger down there.
It's